Good evening. I'm here at this Gedi Kaval and Metukadu, and it's about route to the Kanjampudur, and uh, so this place is also like the Kanjampudur. It's full of rocks, and so it's about some brown to pink colored. Uh, like Whitish um, granites, I could say. Marbles would be heavy and shining, and so this region is full of uh, these type of rocks, and from here you could see uh, like uh, uh, there's like a river, about water place, and there is one more rock there, and uh, uh, so I like this place very much, and it's supposed to be that um, uh, Sphinx Mountain there, that side. So like uh, so um, again I thought I could come here, but uh, so it's very much extended, full of rocks, and so about these granites and marbles, and I think it is mostly about 60% of marble, because granites also are very weight, uh, and marbles are we need to polish and polish. So these kinds are of certainly some kind of marbles, and so it's very good to stand on the rocks, and I was um, um, just passing by the Kollukaradu, and so that's also the previous one which I took, and uh, these also have some grasslands, and uh, so these are the tropical grasses, um, like and so there is some sand here, someone must have put up, and so so must be very careful walking on the rock, so there might be any creature looking like a rock, and uh, so this has some type of vegetation as of the Vellakaradu, and like there is one pebble, mm, so I got one pebble, a nice pebble, so I'm going to keep it for myself, and uh, so we have different names. We have a British name and a French name for a stone. Uh, so very nice on the pebble. If I could much more find much more, I could take it also. But I'm certainly not interested. I would be very much interested in uh, uh, buying it rather than taking it away from here. And so uh, just can't climb up. It is very much height, and so it's about there are some plants. I think it is a lady's finger there, and about the sun. Um, you could see the sun from here, and it's glowing very bright, and uh, and like I have climbed up. And so this is about a small watery place in the mountain. It's a small small hilly region, and so these are called as wood trees in between the mountain. So Parai, Sunai, and wood, and again there are some nice plant weeds. So like these are pinkish in color, and nice weeds. uh, so they look like a corn, and they are like very pinkish. I think they are flowers, not such weeds. They are about flowers in the shape of a weed, so to the close. And very nice to see these, and I think I could pluck it for myself. And so contour ploughing, so you could see the contour shaped ploughing here from here. um, so this is a type of contour ploughing, uh, like irrigating the land in the shape such that the soil gets its fertility about. So I just remember about telling about a lot about plants and ploughing. So this is one such house. I found that it is from the um, it's about full of rocks, and so to a certain extent from here uh, it is like full of rocks there.